Hey, Brad with Family Handyman. I'm building a dog wash station that goes in the garage. Just basic 2x4 construction. I'll give you some step-by-step. Let's get going. So we've got our dog spa all put together. The tile is done, we've got the shower wand and fixture, and we put in this shower curtain tension rod back here so you can hang a shower caddy on there for all your supplies. And we've got a hook and a strap so your dog can't go anywhere while you're cleaning them up. And out here on the side, we've got this hose bib. You can use it for filling water dishes or buckets or whatever. And then the coolest thing is the way these steps work. Let me show you how that goes. Each step has its own drawer. And to make them work, you just grab the bottom step. And each one comes out. And it works the same way on the way back in. So there you have it. Our dog spa is all ready for use. For more great projects like this one, head to familyhandyman.com.